Hey everybody, Salvatore Governale here for big meals at smaller places. What's the matter for you? Hey, gizadish. Anyway guys, do you know you can make a delicious, crispy chicken sandwich with just a few spices in your home? Yes you can. Check it out.
If there's ever been a guy on a mission, it's me, comedian and cooking fanatic, Sal Governale. Each week I travel around with just my toaster oven, showing people how to make big meals in small places.
Hey everybody, Sal Governale, big meals,
Small places.
Today we are making a delicious fried chicken sandwich. One of my absolute favorite recipes. I love it, my wife loves it, my children love it. It's absolutely so good. So if you want to see this chicken recipe and see a lot of other great recipes. Did you hear that car speed by? He's speeding over here for that chicken sandwich. And you know what he's gonna do? He will subscribe. So you be sure to subscribe for great recipes. And without further ado, let's get down to my delicious, crispy chicken sandwich. Oh. Today we're making a delicious and crispy, easy chicken sandwich. First thing we're going to do is get 1 pound of chicken breasts, put them in a freezer bag and pound them out. Pound them good. Don't be afraid to pound them. That's what makes them tender. Now let's make the marinade. 1 cup of buttermilk, a tablespoon of onion powder, a tablespoon of garlic powder, a tablespoon of paprika. Then give it a few squirts of your favorite hot sauce, some salt and pepper. Give that a good mix, and from there you're going to pour it right into your bag of pounded chicken breasts. Let that marinate anywhere from 10 minutes to a half hour. Now for the spicy mayo. 4 heaping tablespoons of mayonnaise, and again, paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, few squirts of hot sauce, salt and pepper, tablespoon each. Very simple. Let that sit on the side waiting for the bun. Now the dredge. 1/2 cup of flour, 1/2 cup of cornstarch, and the same ingredients. Tablespoons of paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Shake that up. There's your dredge. From here, we're going to get our oil going. I use a high sauce pot so it doesn't splash all over the kitchen. Get that nice and hot, and now let's assemble. Take your wet chicken from the buttermilk mix, put it in the flour bag, give it a shake, get it well coated, and there it is. Repeat the process, put it in the bag, shake it around with a fork if you like, and pull out beautiful chicken. Look how nice that is. Time to fry. I fry on a barbecue once the oil is hot, so the kitchen doesn't smell like fried chicken for 2 days. Look at that sizzle. Listen to that. That's what you want, hot oil. Never mind a thermometer at 350 degrees. You want that hot oil. It's going to cook from 4 to 5 minutes, golden brown. Then take it, put it to the side, and from here we assemble the sandwich. Yes, time to assemble. So you get 1 tablespoon of that spicy mayo, put it on the bottom of the bun, slather it up. From there, grab 2 dill pickles. Now take your crispy chicken breast and put that on top. So yummy. And another tablespoon of spicy mayo on top of the bun. I use a sweet Hawaiian bun. Man, it makes a big difference. Your hot, crispy chicken sandwich. 6 ingredients, no breadcrumbs, real simple. And there it is.